What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited, you guys, because today we have a part 2 of trying your guys' Subway orders. I asked you guys on Instagram to send me your Subway orders so I can try them on camera, and here we go. I got all you guys' orders. I got 3 different orders for you guys. I did not want to spend $100. I ain't Nick Ocado. I'm ballin', but I ain't that ballin'. Alright, you guys, check this out. A few of you guys, when you guys sent me your guys' orders, a lot of them were close to the same, except for the toppings were different. So I ordered the majority of what the majority of you guys wanted me to try. So a lot of you guys get the tuna sub. So I got that. You guys know I love a tuna sub. And then I also got my first time actually trying. Was this a 6-inch or is that a full? Oh, it's a 6-inch. It's called a Subway Club. It has roast beef and ham and a whole bunch of stuff, like stuff that I would never order. But a lot of you guys said, a lot of you guys ordered that, so I got that. So here we go. Oh, this looks fire. This looks exactly like how I order mine, except I don't really get lettuce. This is the Subway one. No, this is the tuna one. But they added like extra mustard, and I don't usually get extra mustard. But look at that, you guys. That looks pretty fire. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And I got a 6-inch of, sorry, the paper. I got a 6-inch of the Subway Club. This is like their classic Subway's original, like, first sub. They took it away for a little bit, but it's back. Here it goes. Yeah, banana peppers. I'll do a screenshot of what you guys ordered down in the comments. And then we also got a rotisserie chicken flatbread with chipotle sauce. That's it. And like the toppings, the banana peppers and all that. So we got that right here too. You guys, I know how the tuna tastes. So we're going to start off with that. And then I'm going to try the sub. Everything has like extra mustard. You guys like love mustard. You guys must love mustard. Because everything that I got has a lot of mustard. So we're going to go ham, you guys. I'm super starving. I haven't ate all day. Got myself a, what's it called? Root beer. Oh, my wheat. Wow. Alright, you guys, here we go. Oh, holy moly, look at this. Hold on, let me bring down that brightness really quick. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Do they have cheese? Because I ordered it on the app. So I just added like everything you guys said. Is there cheese in here? This is almost like exactly like how I ordered it, except I like olives in mine. Yo. Y'all out there? We got the same taste. Damn, that's so good. Make you want to slap your mama. Wow. Subway Club, here we go. First time in my life ever trying this. This Subway is a 10 out of 10. This tuna one, because it's almost exactly how I order it. So, fire. Okay, this right here has, what kind of meat? Roast beef, ham, and something else. It's not toasted. I don't ever get this kind of meats, but we'll see how it tastes. Would I get it again? Let's go. Subway Club, here we go. What is that vinegar? Maybe vinegar in here. That's actually pretty good. It's actually very fresh. Hold on, let me push everything down. This is actually pretty damn good. Is it ham and roast beef? Maybe turkey ham and roast beef? It's missing something though. I feel like it's missing something. Maybe salt. Oh, because you guys only got mustard in here. That's what it is. It's the condiments. It's missing some condiments. That's what I feel like it's missing for sure. Because it's like drenched in mustard. So whoever told me to get this, it's good. Watch. I like mustard. Like Des hates it, but I'm a mustard guy. So I'm gonna tear it up, but I feel like it's missing like a mayonnaise or something. But here is the rotisserie oven roasted chicken, because the whole chicken is like a piece of meat. Flatbread with chipotle sauce, banana, pepper, spinach, onions, lettuce. Here we go. It's that chipotle. That freaking chipotle. Oh, you guys. Everybody who asked for a sriracha sauce, my Subway does not carry the sriracha sauce anymore. They only have the Southwest Chipotle, but it's so freaking good. So if you guys ever go to Subway, you have to get the Southwest Chipotle sauce. This flatbread's fire. It has olives too. Yo, I lost another 3 pounds. Hey, told you I wasn't giving up. Count your calories and that's it. You guys want to know how many calories I eat a day, even doing mukbangs? Like 2,500, maybe like 24, 25. That's to be in a deficit. To maintain, it's eat 2,900 calories, 3,000 calories. But to drop, I'm eating 500 calories less. It ain't gonna happen overnight, but eventually it's gonna come off, you know? And yo, we ain't in a rush. We're enjoying food. And we're losing weight. What? So far, you haters out there, I see y'all still commenting. Like, y'all be spamming me with the comments. Like, every single YouTube channel that I have, you would come and post your little negative comments. Sad. Very sad. But you can miss me with all that, because we out here winning. Hey. Hey, 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 hey. Alright, guys. Out of all three, This tuna one does not have chipotle sauce, which if I were to order it my way, it definitely would. The tuna is a staple for me all the time anyways, so I know this is fire. But let me just try this one more time. The Subway Club. It's like really, don't get me wrong, it's really good. It's super fresh. Here, let me show you guys really quick. Let me lower down brightness real quick, so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Y'all see that? I'll tell you what it's missing right now. It's missing condiments. I feel like the meats have no flavor. It's just roast beef and ham, you know? And mustard. Maybe a little bit of mayo in there, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and chipotle. Excuse me, y'all. You know what? I have to do Jersey Mike's again. You know what? Let's do Jersey Mike's this week. Well, I only have tomorrow, because you know we do Pizza Friday. We do Pizza Friday, which goes up toward the end of the week. And I'm going to try a new pizza place. Somebody told me to try, not Red Brick Pizza, Red Devil Pizza, I think somebody said. Anyways, yeah, I want to try a new pizza spot every single week. And Father's Day is on Sunday, so I don't know what's going to happen. You guys know I'm a father. So I don't know what we're going to do. So I'm taking off Sunday. But I might have a Father's Day video up for you guys. Or I might do like a live stream on Saturday night. And then kind of like celebrate Father's Day on Stevensushipr. So, yeah. As much as I love tuna subs, they're my favorite. That's all that I get from Subway. That flatbread with that chipotle seasoning was so good. I think that one won. So whoever told me to get that flatbread with the oven roasted chicken and the chipotle seasoning, amazing. And it's funny because on that last trying you guys' Subway order video, the flatbread won again too. So there's something about ordering the flatbread with like a chipotle seasoning. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's because the bread's thinner and you could taste everything inside. I don't know what it is about the flatbreads, but the flatbreads are so good. I was going to get a wrap, but they were all sold out. So, oh, and they have melts. So maybe next week or the next 2 weeks, I should try their melts for the first time and the wraps. What do you guys think? But I want to hit up Jersey Mike's because everybody, when I posted up the Instagram thing, everyone was like, Jersey Mike's. Don't do Subway again. Do a Jersey Mike's. So I think if you guys want me to do your order, if you don't have me on Instagram, comment your Jersey Mike's order down in the comments below. I can make sure to hit that up. What kind of cheese? Oh, this is provolone cheese. Oh, and you know provolone cheese has no flavor. Provolone cheese tastes like nothing. Look at this. Look at this. The tuna ones, they always pack it in though. I feel like you get more meat when you get a tuna sub. There's something about it. And miss me with all that. That's not real tuna. I asked them there, and they said yes. So this is real tuna. Tuna sub with extra cucumbers, extra onion, and extra bell pepper. Send me to heaven. It's just missing the chipotle seasoning. Did you guys hear about that guy? It was like a story like on the news. I think he ate Subway. Was it every day for an entire year? And he lost like 150 pounds or something like that. I don't know exactly the story, the time frame, how much weight he actually lost. But I do remember a story of a guy who had Subway every single day for a year or something like that, and he lost weight. I had to wake up so early this morning. I had a meeting. Like, it's obviously it's work. Like, Steven, like, stop complaining. Like, you have a job, you know? And they're like, Steven, you barely woke up at 8 o'clock. I had to wake up at 3 in the morning, you know? So I shouldn't complain, but I don't ever want to get comfortable. Like ungrateful for the type of jobs that I have, and because you know why? It can be gone in an instant, you know? I pray every night, and I thank God, like, for everything that I have, you know? I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for him. I feel like so many people try and they can never, like, not make it, but I'm not saying that I made it, but for doing what I do on here just like this, I would say that I did pretty good with it, like, for myself, like in real life, you know? I don't know, I'm just blessed, and I'm not trying to take this for granted, you know? And this is an opportunity. So I stopped myself, and I just corrected myself when I said I had to wake up at 8 in this morning for a meeting. Like, very ungrateful sounding, you know? That was weird. A burp and a cough at the same time. Damn, like a lung came out. That was weird. Whoa. But sorry guys, I'm not trying to like get all emotional. I'll save that for the second channel when I open up with you guys. But this was so good. Why is there hairs? That must be my hairs. My eyebrow hairs always stay falling out. Yeah. I don't like how the edges are like so toasted you can't even eat it. So I just want to make a public service announcement. A lot of you guys ask me why don't I go live streams. I do, just not on the main channel. So if y'all want to head over to my live streams, I go live every single week, every Tuesday. But today's Wednesday, so because yesterday we were so busy that I couldn't do it yesterday. But today I'm going live stream on the second channel. So it's either every like Tuesday or Wednesday, maybe even a Thursday. But there's always a live stream going up. So if you guys ever want to join those, you guys are more than welcome to. Stevensushipr, link down in the description. Let me know you guys' Jersey Mike's order down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video, alright?